Hi, PJ. You're the one that started it all, PJ. Yeah, hi, PJ. You're on candid camera. Meow, meow. Yeah, meow, meow. The starting kitty. Hi, Chloe. Papa's doing the video. Oh, she doesn't like that. Let her go, Chloe. She's, you know, when they go like that.
He's a boy.
Right, he's a boy. Well, boys.
Because he's a daddy.
But we still need to be gentle, okay?
Yeah. When kitties go, that means they're about to bite you, or.
Yeah, go color the heart, Kay.
Where'd your sister go?
Where's Mackenzie?
Where's Mackenzie?
I think Mackenzie's laying in Mom's bed.
She is. She's taking a nap already? You girls are playing dollies, huh?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. Is she playing hide and seek?
Mackenzie.
Maybe she's in here. Nope. Maybe she's in here. Nope. Is she under the pillow? Nope.
Where is Mackenzie? Where?
I'll help you look, Mommy.
Mackenzie. Oh, look who we found. We found Mackenzie. Mackenzie was hiding from Mommy, in the bedroom, in Mommy's bedroom.
She's hiding under the desk.
Who's that?
Here, Mackenzie.
Who's that? Who's in the screen?
Miss Nicolet Farah.
That's Mackenzie.
Miss Chloe.
Wait, let's see. There's Chloe. Wait, where's Mackenzie? There's Mackenzie. And look at all the doggies. Look at over here. Look at the doggie. Look at the doggie. Look at itself. See the doggie in the picture? Here. Who's the doggie? It's Cabernet. And there's Chloe again. And there's Mackenzie. And there's Katie. And look. There's Papa. Let's see, turn around. There's Papa. Look, there's Papa and Mackenzie. There's Papa and Chloe. Oh, okay.